Alright guys, welcome back to Misha's Corner. I'm going to show you how to make this easy, simple chicken recipe as per usual. Of course, I'm going to wash up my chicken. Today I only have lemons, and so that's what I'm using. If you have vinegar or whatever, you can wash it up like that. To all my newcomers, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. So I'm going to let the chicken soak in this lemon water for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it off, and that's pretty much how I'm going to clean it today. But you can do whatever you want with your chicken, however you want to. And so, yeah. To my washed and cleaned and dried chicken, I'm going to add Spicy Girl. If you don't have Spicy Girl in your house, as I always say, I don't know what's going on with you. But I'm also going to be using this honey butter, which is the third ingredient. And this is all we're going to use today, you guys. We're pretty much going to use almost the entire tub. But this stuff is really good. And this recipe turned out surprisingly great, along with Spicy Girl, which you guys already know is low in sodium. Right now, I'm concentrating on controlling my blood pressure, and so I use this spice a lot, especially as of late. And so you want to liberally season your chicken and allow it to marinate for like 30 minutes, and you're good to go. So now I'm going to take a big old giant scoop, and I'm going to put it in this pot, and I'm going to melt it down. Now, I did not say cook the butter. I didn't say burn the butter. I didn't say sear the butter. I said melt the butter. It should still look how it looked, but in liquid form. Okay? So now I'm just going to pour the butter all over the chicken just like I'm doing here. Don't talk about my baking pan. Y'all know I ain't got none. And I bake the chicken in this pan all the time, okay? All right? Don't drag me. So I'm going to put the butter all over. I understand, yes, it might look crazy, but all over. And you're going to cover it up. You already know I use parchment paper and aluminum foil because I don't like the aluminum foil directly on the chicken. I'm going to pop it into a 300-degree oven and act like it's not even existing. Literally, I left it in there for like 2 hours. It probably was longer. I wanted it to cook nice, slow, and low so it could be nice and tender. Y'all know sometimes when you bake the chicken leg or the chicken breast, it becomes really, it's hard to eat. So look how tender, and it's falling apart literally. I placed it back in the oven on 400 degrees for 15 minutes, took it out, and this is how it looked. It's delicious. It's easy to make, very few ingredients, and very cheap. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. If you make this, tag me, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, you guys.